Hello, my dear people of senapati. We have a situation. We have a serious situation now. If we have to wait for the law to take action, to take its course, it's going to be very, very late for us. Now, the best solution for us, we already know, the virus is here already in senapati. The greatest fear is maybe already some of our people are already a carrier. So what we have to do to save our people and our place is a complete lockdown. And this is the responsibility of every person staying here in Senapati. Let us, at least for the next 24 to 48 hours, let's maintain a complete lockdown. If in case the virus is not yet into the human, then 24 to 48 hours could kill the virus. But if it is already into a person, then God help us. But a complete lockdown for the coming few days would really save us. Whatever action the defaulter is going to face, let the law take its course, but we need to save ourselves. I am sure our leaders, the organizations are doing your part. But what worries me is for the past 1 day, already this situation has happened and it has come to the light, but no concrete step or measures have been taken up, and no information regarding this from the organization, from the concerned organizations. So this is a sincere kind of appeal from my side personally, that if we want to save our people and our life and our family, we have to take this into our hand. By completely locking ourselves, let us not go out. That is my appeal. And the rest, let the law take its course. Otherwise, we are going to really face a problem. Earlier, it was the virus has not come to our place, but now it's 100% sure that the virus is already among us. So in order that not to let this spread, we have to do it. We cannot depend on the leaders, we cannot depend on the government or any organization to stop this. It is you and I. We have the responsibility. So we need to lock ourselves up. I know many people will be depending on a lot of things for the daily needs. But for these coming 2 days, I humbly appeal everyone, please stay inside. Stay in your home. Do not go out. So thank you so much, and let us save Senapati.